If you are looking for tips and tutorials to help improve your computer and internet skills, then you are in the right spot. Your computer helps you do a variety of different things, such as playing a variety of games, watching DVDs, editing pictures taken with your digital camera, accessing the internet, sending emails and pictures to friends and family, and so on. In this video, you will be learning about what a computer mouse and keyboard are, and how to use them. This lesson is for beginners only. After this video, you will know what a mouse is and how to hold it. Hi everyone, we are Connect, a social enterprise based in Glasgow which aims to empower individuals by increasing their technology and digital participation. All the profits from our shop go towards running our free IT classes and befriending events in the community. We are on a mission. For every penny you spend on our site, we reinvest it to fund our events for elderly and ICT classes. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when we release more tips like this, you will get notified. The keyboard allows you to type letters, numbers and words into the computer. Whenever you see a flashing vertical line, called the cursor, you can start typing. You interact with the computer mainly by using the keyboard and mouse or trackpad on laptops. Learning to use these devices is essential to learning to use a computer. Most people find it comfortable to place the keyboard on a desk directly in front of them, and the mouse to one side of the keyboard. A mouse is a pointing device that moves a pointer or cursor around on the screen, and which allows you to select or move objects and highlight text. The mouse controls the pointer on the screen. Whenever you move the mouse across the desk, the pointer will move in a similar manner. A mouse usually has two buttons, which are referred to as the left button and the right button. You will often interact with the computer by moving the mouse pointer over something on your computer screen, then clicking one of the buttons. When using a mouse, people will use the phrase point and click. This means that you put the tip of the arrow in the middle of the item you are pointing at and click once with the left mouse button. A hyperlink is an element in an electronic document or web page that, when clicked on, will bring you to a different page in a document or a different page on the web. Hyperlinks in web pages are often in coloured and underlined text, but not always. However, when you place your mouse on a hyperlink, the arrow will change into a hand. On laptops, you can use the trackpad located below the keyboard instead of a mouse. Simply drag your finger across the trackpad to move the pointer on the screen. Some trackpads do not have buttons, so you'll either press or tap the trackpad to click. Now that you've learned how to interact with your keyboard and mouse, take time to become familiar with these skills. We encourage you to practice by using the link below. When you're ready, check out our other videos to learn more. You can build on this foundation and learn how to do whatever you want with your computer and the internet. What else would you like to learn? What tips would be valuable to you? Please leave a comment below to tell us your answers or contact us. If you need help with your computer or internet skills, please feel free to contact us or visit our sites. Check the description below for more information. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share it and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day and stay safe.